Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make scrunchies without sewing machine. If you are new on this channel, quickly hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time we upload a new creative video. The materials I'll be using for this project is a fabric of your choice, the scissors, tape rule, a matching thread, elastic, and some pearls. So the first thing we are doing now is to cut out the fabric. The measurement we are using in this video is 25 by 5. Yeah, the length is 25 while the breadth is 5. So now we are going to proceed to marking out 1 inch by the length and also 1 inch by the breadth. The reason why we are doing this is so that we can have that allowance for our sewing. So fold your fabric this way. Make sure the back is at the top. So this is the part we are going to sew. We're going to be sewing the two edges together. So take your chalk to measure out 1 inch by the breadth and also 1 inch by the length. So after you must have done that, you proceed to sew as I do in this video. Before I forget, the measurement for the ribbon will be 5 inches. So for the sake of those that don't have sewing machine, so this is how you will run the stitches as I do in this video. So this part open, I'm going to be inserting the pearl before I close up finally. So I'll be inserting my pearl in it first before I now sew. So once you're done sewing up completely, you take your scissors to push it in and out. So now we want to reveal the front part of the fabric. So you use the scissors to push it in and out. Straighten up the fabric properly, then you put the two edges together so you can sew both. I'll be aligning both edges together so that I can be able to sew them properly. So after sewing that up, this little hole here is where we're going to be inserting our elastic. So I always use this ring to insert elastic. If you don't have this, you can always use a safety pin, but I always find this very easy to insert because the ring is actually big enough, so it's very easy for me. So but if you don't have it, you can always get a safety pin to insert your elastic. So after sewing up the elastic, you tuck it in properly, then you adjust your fabric. It is time for us now to stitch up this part. We're going to stitch it the invisible way so that it doesn't show. If you have watched this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments. Our scrunchies came out so beautiful. So if you want me to show you a tutorial on how I made this tag for it, drop a comment in the comment section.